Hello everybody! We are going to be doing an experiment today with two objects of different weights, and we're going to compare how force affects these two different objects. So I have a ping pong ball that is very light and a golf ball that is not very light, that I'm not going to drop again because I don't want to damage the table. So we are going to be hitting each one with this ruler, this blue ruler. Now I'm going to bend it back to either 1 square or 3 squares. We will see how far forward the objects go across the ruler before they either hit the ruler or slow down to a stop. So we'll do the ping pong ball first. I'm going to set up the ping pong ball right at the beginning of the ruler. I'm going to try and make it behave. There we go. Pull it back to 1 square and let go. All right, so it went all the way down to the end. That is 36 inches. Let's try it again. I'm going to set it up to the ruler. Pull it back to 1 square, let it go. Okay, that time it hit the ruler at 30 inches. One more time. There we go. One more time, back to 1 square and let go. All right, that time went all the way down to the end again to 36 inches. Now let's do the golf ball. Golf ball is going to be a lot easier to stay still because it's heavier. So let's, I say as it starts to roll away, let's pull back to 1 block and let go. All right, so that hit the ruler at 16 inches before it just started to roll all the way back down to the end. Again, at 1 block. All right, that time it hit at 16 inches. One more time. That time it went pretty far. That time it went to 28 inches. All right, so let's repeat this experiment with more force. This time I'm going to pull it back, the ruler back to 3 blocks. So again, we'll start with the ping pong ball that never wants to stay still. There we go, pulling it back to 3 blocks. And that went all the way to 36 inches and then bounced back. All right, let's do it again. Pulling back to 3 blocks. Again, went all the way down to the end to 36 inches and then bounced back. One more time. Stay, please. There we go. Pulling back to 3 and again goes all the way to 36 inches. Let's try the golf ball. All right, so we're going to pull back to 3 blocks. All right, so that rolled to 22 inches before it hit the ruler and started to just roll across the rest of the ruler. All right, next, again, 3 blocks. That time it went to 27 inches. And the last time, I'm going to pull back to 3 blocks. That time it went all the way to 36 inches. So that shows us the difference between how force, the same amount of force, affects a light object and a heavy one, an object with a small amount of mass, object with a large amount of mass.